This is a short video for one of our users who got in touch. They saw what we've done now with charts, where we allow runtime users to display charts in multiple locations. So if you give AdapTable a list of various divs, then you can display the excellent AG grid charts in those divs, and you can have as many as you want. But the question we had was whether it was possible to put more than one chart into the same div, i.e. to have kind of, sort of an area above, below, next to the grid where you could display multiple charts. And you can. We didn't explain it in the documentation. So let me show first how you can do it. So here we've prepared two charts in the AdapTable state, top frameworks and issues and PRs, and we've also added a new div called above grid. So for instance, if I want to see top frameworks above the grid and I click open, there we are, I see the chart. But now if I also want to see issues and PR and I want to see that above the grid too, then I can, and you can see that opens as well, and you can have as many here as you want. And it's very simple to do it. If we take a very quick look at the code, there's two things to notice. The first is in charting options, where we provide the containers. You can say for each container what the chart display is. The default is single, but if you set that to multiple, then charts will append rather than replace. And the other thing to bear in mind is the div that you provide must either have a property to help either a height, or in this case here, we've given it display flex. And by doing display flex, it allows us to show multiple charts in the same location. That's it. As always, thank you for watching. Any questions or anything you would like to see in AdapTable, please get in touch, and we look forward to hearing from you.